Hello dear friends, welcome back to a series MBBS Mumkin Hai. This is your counselor Arish on a mission to find a seat for every NEET aspirant. So if you're afraid of getting an average score in your NEET 2026 or you are worried about not getting an Indian seat even at the cost of rupees 60 lakh budget, then listen carefully. This video is for you. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the smartest and the safest option that the Indian students have. It is MBBS in Nepal. And before you think about abroad, let me clarify with you that Nepal shares a open border with India. That means that if your parents want to visit you anytime, they can just come, they can fly down or even come by road to visit you. You can travel to your university just like you would travel from any other part in North or Southern India. There is no distance anxiety and there is no hassle of any passport. This is the biggest relief for all those parents who do not want to send their ward to distant spaces like Russia, Georgia or Bangladesh or even Philippines. Now, the most important question that might come to the mind is the quality of education. Is the quality of education good enough for you? Yes. In fact, the clinical exposure that you're going to get in Nepal is just as good as the practical exposure and clinical exposure you get in India. The clinical rotation and practical training in Nepal is even sometimes better than the one in India. Why? Because the hospitals in Nepal, they have very high patient flow. Being on the border of India, patients from both the countries, they visit those hospitals. So you are going to get a very good clinical exposure, my dear friend. Indian doctors are already practicing in Nepal in big numbers. There's a huge number that is practicing. The cases you will see are exactly same that you would see in India. The curriculum that they have in Nepal is very similar to the curriculum that we are practicing in India, MBBS, and many top colleges follow MCI and NMC guidelines also. You will be fully prepared for FMGE or your next exam when you return back home to India. Now, moving on further, discussing on the budget. Budget-wise, everything included, the tuition fees, the hostel, the food and everything else, it can be managed within a budget of 55 to 60 lakh rupees to complete the course in good colleges. Some of the very good top colleges that the Indian students right now are choosing in Nepal include Manipal College of Medical Science, that is in Pokhara. And number 2, we have got Kathmandu Medical College in Nepal. Then we have got Nepal Medical College, KIST Medical College, and there are many more in the list that are reputed institutions. Manipal in Nepal especially has an excellent reputation and infrastructure if we talk about it. Important reality check for you all is that there are only around 500 seats that are available for Indian medical students. So if you are planning to take admission in Nepal, hundreds of Indian students are already opting for Nepal this year because of rising fees and donation amount in India. Seats are filling extremely fast. So if you delay, you may only get an average college or no seat at all for you in Nepal. The best colleges like Manipal get filled the seats earliest in the early round. So if you have scored average in NEET and have a budget of around 60 lakh rupees and you also want quality education, then without going far from home, Nepal can be your best bet. Don't wait, WhatsApp us right now, share your NEET score with us and marks once they are available. Our team will guide you properly about the best available colleges for you according to your NEET score. You can also pre-book your counseling session and seat in the top colleges like Manipal right now. This could be the decision that secures your medical career with us. Drop your score in the WhatsApp once you receive it and talk to our expert team today. Thank you and all the best for your future as a doctor. Bye until next time.